Good morning. I hope everybody is well. We have had a cracking day already, early on the recording. We've already smashed out over 3R. So brilliant day. Obviously, we're coming off the bank holiday on NASDAQ. Today is the 20th of June. So I have just been absolutely killing it today. So we started off, we've had some really good signals already. I wasn't even out of bed yet. So we had this break signal, we had a nice run, we had a sell signal, another nice run, and then here when we were failing, we came up and dynamic TP was changing. We got this, and I love a break signal like this. This is where the market can just drop, right? So again, this is our alpha zone. This is our 4 hour. So it represents a 4 hour candle, right? So we can see the 4 hour came up first, went bullish, broke bearish, came down, came back bullish again, right? And was unable to maintain that momentum. And as we're breaking under the hour, we're also breaking under the 4 hour as well, which is giving me confidence to say that actually, you know what? Sellers are stepping in. They are winning this battle. And we're going to come and take out this low. So really easy. We had a break signal, a sell signal. I got in. We stop above the 4 hour. Could have used the hour, no problem as well. And then I was looking to take a partial here. We can see a previous hour. So I was looking to take a partial here and then the rest at the low. I mean, this is still going now. Maybe even for these lows. I mean, just a crazy trade. So yeah, so we took a sell. I accidentally, as I was moving my partials, price came down a bit and I moved it and I got wicked in my partial too early. So I took a partial on this big candle down just as I was trying to move it, which is a shame. So ended up not getting as much profit as I wanted on the trade, but still absolutely cracking. As always, it keeps killing it in the system in terms of what we do. And all you need to focus on is this, right? This is a candle. It is just a 4 hour candle, and it is showing you the pivot point between buyers and sellers, And it's that pivot point where a candle turns bullish or a candle turns bearish, right? So as we can see, it's showing us like, okay, buyers are running out, sellers are stepping in, buyers are winning, right? And then they come back and now sellers are stepping in, right? And it's showing us who's winning the battle so that when we're taking our trades, we're taking it with that. So here you can see an hour, right? So the hour starts bearish, so sellers are stepping in. We come back to that hour and the sellers are unable, right, to push price back down. We break it, showing a bullish momentum, and off we go. And this is what the indicator does for you. This is why it's so different to everything else, because it's based on price action. It's based on volume. It's not based on just momentum indicators, right? So absolutely cracking result. I'll show you, try and show you where we are now. So far since trading just the signals, we're on our way to passing this challenge. Haven't had a losing day yet. I wasn't able to trade on Tuesday, but just killing it. Absolutely killing it. And then on the trade itself, you can see this is where we got in, right? I accidentally moved that. I was supposed to come out and get taken out here. As I was moving it, fat fingered it. And yeah, so we took our partial here. And then I was just looking for these lows, right? If I'd have trailed it, oh God, we'd have absolutely killed it, right? I need to remove that order. So another cracking day, you know, so far, just trading these signals. We are up on this challenge so far this month. You can see, like, it's just been consistent of playing out. So we're up 1,699 on the challenge. So over halfway within a week with no stress. So we'll keep you updated. That's pretty much me done for the day already. So I'll, if you're in the Discord, I'll see you in the Discord. Otherwise, take it easy, guys. Thanks very much for your time.